Alright, so let's do the part 2 of the unit test review, or unit 1 test review. Hopefully this one won't take as long. I hope not. My goodness gracious. First one's already been a while. But I do have a lot of problems to go over, so there you go. Anyways, let's move on. Okay, so let's go here. Now, according to number 21, we want to find a vertical angle pair. So, keep in mind you have to have two lines intersect each other to create a vertical angle pair. So, I can say here, angle EKH and angle FKG going this way are vertical angle pairs. Now, keep in mind though, that's for like these two angles. Doot, 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 doot. So this one and this one, remember, vertical angles are equal. Those two would be equal. But I could also go top ways, like saying EKF, and then angle HKG, ignoring this line right here, because I can focus on this angle here. Those two would be vertical angles and they would be equal. So I'm ignoring the J, and that gives me that. Now, moving on. I kind of made a mess here, so Alright, so let's look at 22. 22. Okay, that little circle or that little square means there's a right angle. So here's the angle right here. That means this line cuts that into two parts. Thus, the two angles formed by that line now become complementary. So angle FKG and angle GKJ are complementary. And there you go. That's all that is to that. Again, know your definitions. Okay, so here we go. We got to make sure on this one that we count the sides. You might want to make sure you add that chart of like all the names of the sides onto your note card. Whether or not you do or not, I guess it's up to you. But there you go. Anyways, I count the sides, and there's 6 sides. So this is a hexagon. Then you got to decide, is it convex or concave? Notice here that all the lines that as I draw them around the edge, extend the lines, none of them end up inside the hexagon. So this is convex. Basically, concave looks like they kind of collapse in or like are pointed in towards the figure. And then it is regular because all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. So this one would be regular. If any part is not equal, then that's irregular. Keep that in mind. Okay, so now find the length of each side, RST. Okay, for this triangle, okay, if you notice these little hash marks, they tell you that these are all the same. So these are all the same, so that means that all sides are the same, that I can set 3y minus 1 equal to 2y plus 11. And again, variables to the left, numbers to the right. So I'm going to subtract or add, and then if I need to, I'll divide. Now that just tells me what y is, but the question wants the length of the sides. So I need to put the 12 in place of the y, either one, and say 3 times 12 is 36, minus 1 is 35. Or 2 times 12 is 24, plus 11 is 35. So notice that no matter what, you got an answer of 35. So the answer there was 35. Ooh, wow, that's like crazy intelligent. All right, here. 25, 26, 27, you got to know your formulas. Remember, when you have anything other than a circle, you're going to add up the sides. That is the simplest way to define perimeter. So if I add up the sides here, I should get 42 feet. And on any quadrilateral, let's just say for a rectangle here, you would multiply the base times the height to get the answer. In this case, 17 times 4, which should be 68 feet squared. Okay. Worry about the numbers, don't worry about the feet or square feet or anything like that. Alright, so let's look at the circle. So on a circle, you have a slightly different formula. You use a circumference, which is the perimeter of a circle. That's 2 pi r. And then area is pi r squared. Okay, so if you plug those in with the 7, your circumference ends up being like 43.98. I'll leave it like that because I'm running out of space here. And then for the area, it's going to be 153.94. And that would be about it. Okay? And then on 27, you got to realize here, if it says like this, and this is 8.1, and this is 8, 7. Okay, then because of this hash mark, that means this is also 8.1. So if you add those up, your perimeter is going to be 24.2 millimeters, and then your area, focus on the base and the height. And then your area is equal to 8 times 7. Remember, area is 1/2 base times height. That means multiply the base and the height, and then divide by 2. So 8 times 7 divided by 2 should give you an answer of 28 millimeters squared. Wow, I guess I could have done this all in one video, but I didn't. So there you go. Anyways, good luck. I hope this helps y'all get ready for the test, and I will see y'all the next day, and let's see if y'all are ready. Anyways, y'all take care. Thank you so much for your time.